Here we are on the 1968 trail. Where are we?
1968 trail.
No, but where else?
In the Arenal Volcano in Costa Rica.
Yeah, baby. It's a pretty cool black rock trail. It reminds me of the black sand beaches.
And it's in a tropical forest.
It's got some kind of rugged parts. Let's see if I can make it down here without having to hold on.
It's wet too, which makes it slippery.
Yeah. Yeah, what I'm doing is not necessarily super smart.
But just a little bit smart ass.
A little bit, as she said. It would be some great video if I like fell on my butt. It would have a good laugh. The trail just got a lot smoother.
Yeah. Somebody's been sweeping this trail.
It seems like it, right? All of a sudden it's super manicured.
Stairs.
Stairs.
Yay. Those were some very deep stairs.
Yeah. Water. I see water.
Ooh. Green water. Maybe there's a climb on it. You stepped right in the middle of an ant, leaf cutter ant trail. Who said that? Ooh, is that a sloth? Straight up. Oh my god. A good hiding spot.
Continuamos.
Oh, I see a sloth.
Oh, you do?
I'm pretty sure.
Where?
Right there.
Point again. Huh.
No?
Well, the camera won't be able to see it. But
You see it's sort of more brown and fuzzy. Maybe not. Maybe it's a leaf.
honestly, it's hard to distinguish between a sloth represented as a ball of fur in the trees or just a rumple of leaves. I love these vines going up the trees. Well, we hadn't been doing very much hiking before we came to Costa Rica. So this is definitely the most adventurous hike we've done in a while.
Yeah.
I'm liking it quite a bit. Wow, in this setting, it's often just you turn a corner and it's like, wow. It's just,
More magical tropical forest.
yeah. We haven't seen any birds on this trail. The nearby trail. What birds did we see, Patricia? On the trail, yes.
Great curassow
Great curassow.
and is it great dern? I think so.
The one with the red throated something or other. Can't remember. What else we got? Let's see, maybe a toucan?
Yeah.
That was
Toucan.
one of my, and some parrots. The red lord parrot
Yeah.
was in the trees with them. Apparently toucans are social birds that enjoy
I like to
flocking.
hang out with parrots.
They like to flock with other larger birds. Yeah, but the toucan was one of my number one wildlife goal to see while we were here. And I kind of imagined it in my head that they were going to be all over the place. In fact, they are pretty rare, but we were lucky enough to see one. And there's the lake.
They're hard to see. Like toucans.
Man, like look at this trail. It's insane. Wow. Yeah, you can just sort of see it peeking through the trees there. Did we see anything else on that trail? Yesterday we kept seeing the Great Curacao. We kept seeing there's so many of them, and apparently, well, the guidebook says, or the bird guide says that these birds have become essentially tame in certain protected areas of Costa Rica. It was definitely
vulnerable, so they're not that common.
right outside of the protected areas. They're vulnerable. Inside this national park where we were yesterday, they're almost tame. You couldn't quite pick it up, but you practically could. They came within a couple feet of us. And voila, here we are at Lago de los Patos, Duck Lake. Apparently, it's also Cayman Lake that eats the ducks. As they said, there's a whole ecosystem in this lake. All right, and here's where we'll sign off.
All right.
Oh.